Hey guys, hey, how you doing? It's Teresa from Blessed Favor Candle Company. How is everybody doing on this Saturday? Happy Saturday, happy Saturday. I'm glad you guys joined me. I'm glad you stopped by Blessed Favor Candle Company to watch another video. Today we're going to be packing up an order. I'm going to be doing a lot of chit-chatting. This is like a chit-chat video, and watch me while I'm in the candle studio taking care of some business on a Saturday. I just want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to all of my subscribers who've been with me from day one. Thank you. And welcome to my new subscribers. I'm super excited about the growth of my business. My business has actually been growing and glowing. I came up with that saying the beginning of the year, growing and glowing. I see some other companies have been using that saying. Blessings to you all. Growing and glowing is what I see taking place in my business. It's not happiness. It's not happening fast. Can't talk on this Saturday. It's not happening fast. It's taking its time. It's growing. You know how you plant a seed in the ground, and that seed, you got to nourish it. You got to water it. You got to give it some sun. You got to speak to it a little bit. And, so that's what's been growing, happening with my business as I watch it unfold, as I watch it grow. My business just been, growing. Not fast, but accordingly. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for all this continued support. I mean, I got people from day one when I first posted on an Instagram post that's still with me, that's still rocking with me. And I thank you. Listen, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So when you're running a business, don't get discouraged. Just keep posting, keep putting yourself out there, because when people watch you, you're inspiring them. They're watching you because you are inspiring them. It's something that you're doing that they like. That's why they're still staying there. And I got so many people on these platforms who I watch. Is because they putting out good content. They putting out information that helps grow my business. So don't be discouraged. Don't run your business in fear. I did that for a while. When I first came out, I was in a lot of fear watching the competitors. Don't watch your competitors, because everybody have their own growing sprout, or their own growing spirit, their period that they grow. Everybody grow differently, so don't focus so much on your competitors. Yes, you can watch your competitors to be inspired by them, but don't focus your growth on your competitors, because you don't know what your competitors went through. You don't know how long they've been doing what they've been doing. You don't know their story. So you have to keep flowing with your business. Let your business grow. Let it take its time. You nourish it. You speak to it. You pray over it. You do because all you have to do is twerk it. You can see where, I need to do this not working for me. If it's not working for you, remove it from your business. Stop doing it. Or twerk it, do something different, do a new label, change your logo. I don't know about changing your name, because, I don't know about that, but whatever you got to do to spruce it up some, do it, do what you have to do. So today, like I said, I want to give a shout out to a young lady that been supporting my business from day one. She, every year, even before I opened up my website on May 7th, I've been giving out a $100 gift box to who spent the most. This year, I didn't go by who spent the most. This year, I went by who participated the most, who was so active supporting my website. When I say website, if I send out an email, this person reached back, and if I say we're having a sale, this person purchased something. Every time I had a sale, she responded. So not even a sale, she just kept responding to my website, purchasing back to back to back. If I made a post about a certain candle, she went and bought that candle. I love support like that. So I just want to say thank you to Tamika Colebrook. Thank you for being a supportive customer. I appreciate you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I have no respectable person. I don't put favor on nobody, but I do show my appreciation. I have 2 subscribers on Facebook. Blessings, blessings, blessings to you guys for even choosing Blessed Forever Candle Company, for subscribing, paying a monthly fee just to be a subscriber to my business. Listen, guys, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. So blessings, blessings, blessings upon you guys. I don't boast in nothing that I do. I'm not prideful. I am grateful. I am thankful for each and every one of my supporters. And I try to be a big supporter. I try to engage. I try to support as much as I can. My schedule is pretty busy, so, but I try to support and promote whatever I can do as much as I can. Tap myself on the shoulder, guys. Listen, I wish I had one right in front of me, but I published my first journal. I used to always say, oh, I want to publish a journal. So check it out. I'll have the link in the comments or down below. I have the link down below. You can purchase my self-journal notebook. Self-love journal notebook. All it is just a plain notebook with self-love on the cover, and just where you could jot down your notes, whatever creative ideas you got, whatever business ideas you got, whatever company you got, you can write all different kind of types of notes, business notes, business meetings you got coming up. It's just a notepad, a note journal. It's a notebook journal. So if you want to support me in that area, it's on Amazon already, and I'm working on one now for my business. It's gonna this book that I'm working on now is for basic teaching for people who want to learn how to, by reading this little short book, how to learn how to make a candle. It's a basic step on how to make a candle. You can it's going to be very affordable. Any little books that I put out there now that I'm a author, so I just want to put that little book out there, and then I'm going to be making mostly everything that I'm going to be making on my site is going to be journals. So we're not going to prolong. We're going to go ahead on. I'm going to stop it right here. And when I come back, we're going to go ahead on and pack up this $100 gift and pack up this order that I got and just finish chit-chatting. During the packing, we might not chit-chat. Might play some music and speed it up a little bit. But then I'll come back and chit-chat a little bit before we end the video. I just truly, truly, truly I love you guys. I'm thankful for you guys. Continue to watch my journey. We're going to be making some candles pretty soon. As you can see, I'm slack. Hardly no candles except my Speak to Me collection. So we're going to be making a whole lot of candles because we got to get some candles up there. I got new labels that's coming out. If you follow me on Instagram, you already seen that I posted. This is the new label. And I'm thinking about some of these as well, but I like this. Just a color scheme. And also my Speak to Me collection and my 13 ounce is gonna be, I'll be trying out labels, guys. It's a glare for the ring light, so that ain't working. Let's see. It's a glare, but so we're gonna take care of that soon. You're gonna watch me do the candles, the labels, and go from there. So we're gonna go ahead on and get started. Like I said, it's just gonna be simply just a lot of chit chatting, and you guys gonna watch me pack the order. I got one order out of my Speak to Me collection, and the winner, I'm gonna give her the full Speak to Me collection, and plus some other candles because it's $100 worth. And my full collection is $60. So she's gonna get that in she got her favorite. She loved my coffee shop, so I got her 2 coffee shops, and that's just a gift. That's not even with the 40. She's gonna get 2 sprays. They're $20 a piece. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So I'm gonna stop it right here and adjust the camera on my packing table, and we're gonna go ahead and get started.
disagree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall, no. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's how I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone, no.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end. It's Sunday. I'm getting ready to edit this video. Getting ready to upload it, and about 3 o'clock I'm going to go ahead and upload it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and come back for new videos that's going to be uploaded on my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all of your kind continued support, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Have a blessed and wonderful Sunday. Next week, make sure that you rejuvenate, refresh, get some things done that you have on your to-do list that you haven't done. Don't procrastinate. Procrastination stops your progress. So I love you guys. I'll see you soon. And I tried to upload the link for my journal. So just go on my Facebook page or in my link tree in my bio on Instagram, because I tried to upload it and it was saying that the link wasn't good. You can still go to the site, but I don't like it saying stuff like that. So go ahead and check it out on my link in my bio, and it's on Instagram. And go ahead on and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next video.